Hello viewers, welcome back, and in today's video what I will be teaching you is how to use text editor. Like I said in my previous video that I will analyze on one particular text editor, which is the Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code, popularly known as VS Code, is a widely used free open source text editor developed by Microsoft. It is known for its versatility, lightweight design, and rich in features compared to other TestPad or text editor. So, why should you prefer Visual Studio Code? So, 1. Features and capabilities. IntelliSense provides smart code completions based on variable type, function definitions, and imported modules. Debugging. Support debugging with breakpoints, cause tags, and an interactive console. Built-in Git integrates Git version control to manage code repository directly within the editor. Extensions, a vast marketplace of extensions to add language debuggers and tools to support your development workflow. Customizability, high consumable with themes, keyboard shortcuts, and settings. Number 2. Popular extensions. Python. For Python development, including IntelliSense, Latin, and debugging. Prettier code formatter to ensure a consistent code style. Elint identifies and fixes problems in JavaScript code. Live server launches a local development server with a live reload features for static and dynamic pages. Docker integrates with Docker to simplify containerized development. Number 3. Settings and customization. Settings synchronize your settings, extensions, and key bindings across different machines, users and workspace settings. Customize settings at the user level or workspace level for specific projects. Themes. Choose from a variety of themes to change the look and feel of the editor. Number 4. Shortcuts and productivity tips. Command Palette. Access all VS Code commands using Ctrl-Shift-P for Windows/Linux or CMD-Shift-P for Mac. Multi-console editing. Place multiple consoles in your code to edit in multiple places simultaneously. Integrated terminal. Open a terminal directly in VS Code with Ctrl for Windows/Linux or CMD for Mac. Number 5. Integrate with other tools. Remote development. Develop in remote environment like containers, VMS, and WSL using the remote development extensions. Azure integration. Integrate the Azure for cloud-based development and deployment. Jupyter Notebooks. Support Jupyter Notebooks for data science and machine learning projects. Number 6. Community and support. Documentation. Comprehensive documentation available on the official VS Code website. Community extensions. Thousands of community-created extensions to enhance and customize VS Code. Forum and GitHub. Active community forums and GitHub repository for support and feature requests. Number 7. Use cases. Web development, ideal for front-end and back-end web development with JavaScript, TypeScript, HTML, and CSS. Data science supports Python and Jupyter Notebooks for data analysis and machine learning. DOFs integrates with Docker, Kubernetes, and CI/CD tools for Streamlins DOFs workflows. Game development supports Unity and other game development frameworks. Now, by grabbing these aspects, you can cover a comprehensive of Visual Studio Code and its benefits for various types of development works. Let's take a look at all the shortcuts in Visual Studio Code and their functionality. Actually, I don't want this video to be too long. That's the reason why I didn't explain those shortcuts to details. But you can do best to jot them down. The main reason for that is because you are not going to be using all the shortcuts as a beginner, but as time goes on, you will get familiar to all of them. Now let's do some live practice on VS Code. Turn on your computer and let's get started. After downloading your Visual Studio Code for your Windows or MacBook on their official website, which I'm going to drop the link in the video below, install it. After installation, open and it will display like this. Like I said, you shouldn't bother more on what you are seeing on the screen as a beginner. As time goes on, you get familiar with every tools and properties of VS Code. Now at the top corner, you will see the navigation menu, the file, edit, selection, view, go, run, terminal, and help. But the most important ones that you'll be familiar with as a beginner is the file and edit. Creating new file, window, open existing file, open existing folder, and lots more, share, save, and lots more. Now to start a new project, you can do that by creating a new test file. After opening the new test file, you will see something like Untitled 1, which is you have not saved the file. Press Ctrl S on your keyboard and it will bring you to this page where you can name your project. For example, I'm naming this one new project, and it's asking for the extension because we have a lot of thousands of extensions, because we have thousands of programming language. So it's asking for the extension. Is it .text, is it .html, is it .css, is it .javascript? So now as a beginner, we are dealing with the HTML aspect of it, which is .html. The extension will be .html. Then you click on save. Immediately we save it, you see that the name changed to new project, as you can see on the screen. Now let's write some couple of code by first creating the HTML open tag and closing tag. Because we are dealing with HTML, you must have an open tag and the closing tag, then followed by header, the opening tag and closing tag of an header. You see that Visual Studio Code has a shortcut, like it predicts exactly what you wanted to type before writing it. Is a predictable text editor. Also title, opening tag and closing tag. So we are going to give the title a name, which is Hello World. That's the title. So after the title, we come out of the head, which is the closing tag of the head, and we create the body. As you have the head, we have the body too. So the opening tag and the closing tag of the body, that's where all our other elements will come in. Now P stands for paragraph. P also have a opening tag and a closing tag. In my next video, I will be talking on the element property, which is the inline element and the block element. So I've written hello, welcome to TEDtalk inside the paragraph. Now if you check the new project.html, which is our project name, is showing a white sign, which means we've not saved the new code. Press Ctrl S to save it and the white dot will disappear and it will take you to another dialog box, which is your browser. We are using Edge. You can use any other browser, you can use Chrome or whatever. Then you now right click on the project name and you look for Review in File Explorer. You click on it, it will pop up another dialog box, which it will take you to the folder where your project is saved initially. Now the browser is displaying hello, welcome to TEDtalk. So that's how to review your code while writing a new project. So in my next video, we will work on HTML and CSS to design. Thanks for watching. Do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button in order to be notified when next I drop another video. Bye.